If you're a beginner or you have been trading for a very long time, now this video is for you. I'm going to pour out everything I learned from mentorship. Yes, I paid so many forex gurus, I think one or two people, mentorship fee for them to be able to teach me everything about SMC. And I have more than 4 years experience as a forex trader. I'm going to teach you everything I know about SMC. Everything. I will say it from A to Z in this series. Now, first of all, I want to talk about the foundation, what you must understand first about forex. You need to understand what is forex, candlestick patterns, time frames, sections, and the spread, pips, lot size, and the goal is for you to understand how price behave. I'm going to teach you that in this particular series that we are about to start. Okay, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about this particular forex foundation. If you understand forex foundation and you understand everything about the foundation, then the building and anything above it is gonna be strong. But once you don't understand these particular foundations, then you are going to be lagging. Do not miss any day or any video. For any day or video you miss, you are going to be setting yourself up to lose. Secondly, we are going to be talking about the market structure, the backbone of SMC. This is everything in SMC. You see these four things that I listed out here is everything to know in SMC. Anything saying otherwise is scam, or anything saying otherwise is rubbish. This 14 is only the thing that you need as an SMC trader. The uptrend, downtrend, the break of structure, and change of character. You need to learn these four things. If you master this thing, you're going to be trading SMC perfectly. But if you do not master this particular 14, nothing else is going to work inside this SMC. Okay, on the second day, I'm going to be teaching about this particular thing. Thirdly, we'll be talking about liquidity, where money is taken. We're talking about the equal highs and the equal lows, the stop ons and liquidity sweep. We'll also be talking about the buy side and sell side liquidity, and we'll be talking about inducement. These are what I will be teaching you guys on the second series, everything about liquidity. Now, the goals of this particular series in this particular section is that you should know where price is going to grab liquidity. For you to know where price is going to grab liquidity is like you knowing the movement of the market, and as you are trading in the movement of the market, you are going to increase your profitability in the market. Do you understand? So everything about liquidity will be shared in this particular video. Do not miss it. Okay, do not miss this particular day and this particular video. Fourthly, we'll be talking about order blocks. Order block is an institutional zones. We have four type of four categories of order block. We have the bullish order block, we have the bearish order block, we have the valid and invalid order block, and we have the mitigation. You understand? I'm going to teach this particular four stages in order block. If you're able to grab all these and combine these particular stages with your structure, then you are perfect and you are good to go. You understand? You first of all learn it. After learning it, you will now be doing the combining. If you're not learning it, you can't be doing the combining. Okay, so you have to calm down, stoop yourself low, and learn it so that you can also be doing the combining. So we'll be talking about FVG on the fifth day. FVG is fair value gap. Some people also call it imbalance. Okay, we're going to teach everything about it, what is imbalance, how FVG forms. Some of you guys don't even know how it forms, but I'm going to be teaching it in this particular video, how FVG forms. Okay, we're also going to be teaching how price fill or how price return to fill up the gap. You understand? I'm going to teach it in this particular video. I'm also going to teach the strategy in which you can be able to trade with it. You understand? Okay, and also I'm going to teach you how you are going to use it as your entry target. Okay, your entry target. If you have any entry zone and there's no FVG there, I think that entry might be invalid. Everything I'm going to teach you about it in this particular video. I hope you are following me. So now we'll be talking about entry models, the execution freeze. Here we'll be breaking down breaker block, mitigation block, three candle pattern, lower time frame confirmation lies the 5 minutes and the 15 minutes time frame confirmation. Now this is where you can be able to catch your sniper entry. Anything sniper entries is down to entry models. Okay, if you have a very perfect entry model and a very perfect entry confirmation, you can be able to be catching sniper entries like a pro. Do you understand? Next up is time and section concepts. Most traders don't really know that trading in the right time really matters a lot. Some of you guys might be trading in the wrong time, and after hitting stop loss, you'll be blaming the market. It's not the market's fault, it's your fault. The market has been here since ages. You just came in and start blaming it. It's not his fault, it's your fault. So I will devote my time teaching you London key zone, New York key zone, the best time ever to trade, when not to trade. Again, what did I say? And when not to trade. You understand? So if you know all this particular thing and all these particular sections, you are going to be profitable. Okay, you're going to increase your profitability. This also shows that you're a smart money trader. You're a smart money trader. Let's continue. This is when we are going to be entering into the main core of SMC, which is what? Your daily bias and your top-down analysis. After learning everything above, this is when our main trading began. You understand? So we will talk about the weekly bias, the daily candlestick bias, the 4-hour structure bias, and also how you can be able to align everything with the lower time frame. I said something earlier about time frame alignment in my previous video. For you to be able to learn how to align weekly, daily, and 4-hour, and also how for you to be able to learn how to align 4-hour, 1 hour, and 15 minutes. This is when I'm going to be teaching you guys everything about the alignment. Everything I will teach you guys about it in this particular series. Okay, this is what separates the beginners from the pro. Time frame alignment. If you're best in it, you're a pro. So talking about fundamentals, some of you guys ignore fundamentals too much. Don't ignore fundamental. Okay, I'm going to teach you guys about the high impact news, NFP, CPI, FOMC. Why setup fails during news? Because you might have a plus setup, and once the news is being released, price is going to hit your stop loss. I'm going to teach you why everything happen like that. Okay, now, and also you're going to learn when to stay out of the market. Stay out pata from that particular market during news, because some news might be very dangerous and some news might be very good and sweet to trade with. Risk management. This is the most important concept and the most important course in this particular series. Risk management. The plan is not to be making profit. The plan is for you to manage and last in this particular market. Okay, I'm going to teach you everything about risk management in this particular series. Okay, first of all, I'm going to teach you how to risk 1 to 2% per trade. Some of you guys don't even know how to risk anything. I will teach you in this particular video. I'm going to teach you risk to reward ratio, what it stands for, what it means, and how to use it to your own profitability. I'm going to teach you that in this particular video. I'm also going to teach you guys positions sizing, how for you to, when you need to increase your lot size and when not. You guys don't even know how to do all these small things, but all these small things are the ones bringing you down in trading. I'm also going to teach you consistency over what? Profits. Now I'm talking about backtesting. Most of that now don't even use to backtest or journal their trade anymore. You guys are not backtesting or journaling the trade anymore. But I'm going to teach you how to backtest your strategy, take screenshot of the trades, track the win, the losses, and also do what? Improve your edge in the market. This is what you're going to learn in this particular series. Stay tuned and don't miss any day. Now, on the last day, we'll be talking about how to build your personal system. In this particular series, this is when you are going to be able to combine everything you have just learned from the beginning to the end. You will combine it in this particular series. Okay, this is where I'm going to be teaching you guys how to trade only one pair, only one section, and only one setup. The liquidity, order block, and entry model, everything will be given to you guys in this particular video. Okay, this is where you become profitable. This particular last series is where everything you have learned, you start putting it to work, and that profitability that is hidden inside of you, you start seeing everything in action. Now listen, if you have not watched from the beginning of the series, or you miss any video and you jump to this particular one, it will be hard for you to understand anything. No, so make sure you are going to be following me anytime I drop the video. I'm going to be giving a 5 days interval break before I drop new episode. You understand? So the final truth, and the most important ones, you don't need 100 strategies. You don't need 100 strategies. You need only one strategy, and you need to master it deeply. That is when SMC comes in. I'll teach you SMC concepts, teach you the strategy that you can be able to trade with it, inside of it, and teach you how to master it very, very well, so that you are going to be profitable like me. Join my Telegram channel. The link to it is in the description below. Join my Telegram channel so that you are not going to miss both the clean setup we'll be finding out from teaching you guys everything. Okay, so see you guys in the next video, and stay tuned. Remember, come back here every 4 to 5 days for a new episodes.